Here I am teaching the grade 6th chapter number 2 of geography. The topic is latitudes and longitudes. Okay? So in this topic we will not cover the whole chapter, we will just do the basics of the chapter. So in this chapter, firstly our aim is to cover about latitudes and longitudes, why we are using those latitudes, longitudes, how we can determine the time with the help of longitudes. These are all the broad topics in this chapter, but in this video only we will cover about the major latitudes, the parallels of latitudes and the meaning of latitude and longitude. Okay, so firstly let's come to these two words, latitudes and longitudes. So what are basically that latitudes and longitudes? If you observe the globe, so we have some of the imaginary lines. We have drawn some of the imaginary lines which are known as latitudes and longitudes. Now what is the difference between that? So latitudes are basically the horizontal lines. These are the horizontal imaginary lines. Latitudes, longitudes, both are imaginary lines, but latitudes are horizontal imaginary lines and longitudes are vertical imaginary lines. So latitudes, horizontal lines running from east to west, and longitudes running from north to south. These are the imaginary lines. Now the question rises, why we are using such imaginary lines? What's the meaning of those lines? Why we are using these lines? So the answer is, let me just make you clear with the help of this only. Suppose this is a locality. Okay, suppose this is a locality and here is my house, my beautiful house. Here is, I denoted with the A. Okay, now my friend wants to come to my house, so I want to tell the location of my house to her. How will I? This is a big locality, many houses are there. How she can find the house? How I can tell the location to my friend? So if I draw these lines like this, horizontal lines, or the vertical lines like this, so now I will be able to tell her that my house is in the southeast direction. Now it will be easy for me to tell her the direction. Suppose this is not direction, as you know the directions, the cardinal directions, north, south, east and west. So if I mark the point A here, so now I will be easily able to tell her the location of my house. Now she can easily come to my house, right? So these latitudes and longitudes, these are the lines of references. We use these reference lines so that we can locate any place easily. Suppose this is our earth. If I will not draw these lines, so it will be difficult for me to locate any country. But if I will draw the lines like this, if I will draw the lines like this or like this, then it will be easy for me. It will be easy for me to locate any place. So that's why we are using the latitudes and longitudes, because these are the reference lines that makes us easy to locate the any place. So that's the definition of latitudes and longitudes. That is the importance of latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Now come to some of the important latitudes. These are also known as parallels of latitudes. These are some important latitudes. वैसे we have many of the latitudes when we have many such latitudes, many imaginary lines, but we have these important 5 latitudes which are known as parallels of latitudes. So first is equator. So equator is that latitude which divides your earth into two equal parts, which divides your globe into two equal parts, is equator at 0 degrees. ठीक है, equator at 0 degrees, it is the one which divides the earth into two equal parts. Northern hemisphere, upper part is northern hemisphere, the lower part is southern hemisphere. ठीक है, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, equator is the one that divides the earth into two equal parts. Then we have Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees of north. Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees of north. Let me erase this. So, we have equator at 0 degrees, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees, at 66.5 degrees we have Arctic Circle. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees of south and 66.5 degrees in south at Antarctic Circle. ठीक है, the degrees are same, 23.5 here and 23.5 here, but it is in the north side and it is in the south side. So Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees of south, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees of north. So we have these 5 important latitudes. ठीक है, in next video we will cover about longitudes as well. Firstly we have these 5 latitudes, equator at 0 degree, so which divides the earth into two equal parts, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. And if we talk about the poles, this one, so North Pole at 90 degrees and South Pole at 90 degrees of south, 90 degrees north, 90 degrees south. So we have this type, these are the parallels of latitudes. Now, according to these parallels of latitudes, we have 3 heat zones as well. ठीक है, we have 3 heat zones as well. So now what are those 3 heat zones? So according to these parallels, sun, suppose this is sun, direct sun rays are falling on this part, equator and ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से लेके ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न तक वाला जो ये पार्ट है, दिस वन, हियर द सन रेज आर फॉलिंग directly, the sun rays are falling directly and it is known as the hottest zone. So this zone is known as torrid zone. ठीक है, जिसे मैक्सिमम हीट जोन भी कहा जाता है या हॉटेस्ट जोन भी कहा जाता है. दिस इज टॉरिड जोन वेयर, सो वी हैव 3 हीट जोन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द हीट ऑफ द सन अराइज. जिस तरीके से सन की हीट जो है इन जोन्स पे पड़ती है, उसी अकॉर्डिंगली हमने पूरे अर्थ में जो है 3 पार्ट्स में 3 हीट जोन्स में डिवाइड किया है. फर्स्टली वी हैव टॉरिड जोन विच रिसीव्स द मैक्सिमम सनलाइट. देन sun rays become slanting. अगर यहाँ से sun rays, अगर suppose I have this cardboard, suppose this is a cardboard, this is sun rays are falling directly on this. लेकिन अगर अब sun rays यहाँ पे fall करेंगी तो यहाँ पे slanting sun rays जाएंगी in this way. So slanting जाएंगी तो heat भी कम हो जाएगी. So we have temperate zone here. टेम्परेट जोन हैविंग मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर. यहाँ पे हीट ज्यादा होगी, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कैसा होगा, मॉडरेट, ना कि कम ना ही ज्यादा. सो वी हैव टेम्परेट जोन फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर टू आर्कटिक सर्कल, फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न टू एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल. टेम्परेट जोन इज देयर. ठीक है, एंड if we come about this area, आर्कटिक सर्कल से नॉर्थ पोल तक, एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल से साउथ पोल तक, सन रेज और ज्यादा स्लैंटिंग हो जाएंगी. द सन रेज डिफिकल्टली रीच देयर. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव फ्रिजिड जोन हियर. दैट इज the zone where it is almost covered with the snow. So this is known as frigid zone. Frigid zone between Arctic Circle and North Pole, between Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Frigid zone. So we have these 3 zones according to the heat received from the sun. So accordingly, through these latitudes, we have divided the earth into 3 zones. ठीक है? It's clear to you? Thanks. Have a nice day.